What is up, guys? Welcome back to more Happy Wheels. I did another episode before, but it got cut off because I'm going back. I'm still in the trial version, so I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to be doing this mid-level. So fuck you. All right, son, we're in Brazil. Why are the streets so fucking small? Holy shit! Ah! Dad, what are you doing? Shut up, Dad! I'm gonna fucking kill you! Dad, no! Don't leave me in Brazil! No! No, motherfucker! What the fuck? How dare you swear on my presence? I'm going to fucking kill you. Look what you did to that old lady. Look what you did to her. I'm gonna fucking kill you. Dad, don't kill me! Oh my god! No! 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 Damn it! Oh well. Holy shit, that was a lot of screaming. That's a lot of blood. Timmy brains! No wonder they're so small. No wonder you're a fucking idiot. Your brain's fucking tiny. My brain is huge. Actually, no, the size of a person's brain has nothing to do with their intelligence. I'm not joking. No, seriously. A person can have a really tiny brain, yet also be pretty smart. Actually, wait, no. I guess somewhat. Like, if you have a really, really tiny brain, you're not going to be able to be as intelligent as someone else, but it doesn't mean you're stupid. It just means you can't really process as much. I'm flying! I'm falling. Beach babes! Yeah! Give me the beach babes! Come here, baby. I only got one fucking arm and no fucking legs, but I'm fucking gonna fuck you, Oh, hey there, baby. Wanna go out tonight? Oh, yes, a perfect way to end the level. Oh, shit. Don't tell me I'm gonna get eaten by a shark. He just keeps going. Look at him. He's doing it with no fucking legs. Oh, never mind. He's got no legs. He's doing it with no fucking legs! Oh, shit. I didn't even realize on him. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, yeah. Go away. He's gonna drown there. Okay, for me, my fucking mouse is blinking. No toilet paper! Oh, shit. No toilet paper! One day you find yourself in the crummiest ladies' room bathroom. Like, what the fuck is he in a ladies' bathroom? Is it if he's a pogo stick man? Oh my gosh! You're in the middle of taking a huge shit when there is no toilet paper. You look around and see half a roll. You must clench as hard as you can and make it inside before your butt fucking explodes with the shit. Before the shit just literally loads out of your ass.
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh!
No!
That's coming out! Roll! Roll! Toilet paper! Toilet paper! Toilet paper! Toilet paper! Oh yeah, the toilet paper! I got the toilet paper! Oh, it looks like shit coming out of his ass. Wait. Oh! Oh Jesus! Sweet mother of God! Oh my god, he's bleeding out of his ass! You need to get that checked out, buddy. I really think that's a bad problem. He didn't get the toilet paper in time. 911 monster truck. This is a portion of my physics, but upgraded by me, and I'm gonna fucking ride it or I'll shit your pants. What? Who said that? Wait, why was he taking a shit while his pants on? Oh my god! Oh shit! I'm trying to do a front flip. Front flip, bitches! Wow, this thing sucks at doing front flips. Oh my god! Yes! Fucking awesome! Holy shit, there's a lot of surprises in this episode. Contrast rope swing. Bleh. 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 Motherfucker! I'm gonna run this shit. I don't give a damn. Yes, bitch. Wait, fuck, grab it. Yeah. I'm being pulled by a fucking rope. You don't know why, but I shit my pants and later, and I come out of my ass. It killed my butt. I fucking don't like the song because it has no musical thing to make it a music song and then fucking roll. Yay! Oh fuck, don't ever come to my ass. I already had trouble with that. You already had trouble with that because you're literally your fucking, oh, your fucking ass exploded from shit. Ass explosions. My fucking arm. Fuck the world. Fuck the world. Fuck the world. Gotta do a fuck the world. Gotta do a fuck the world. Oh shit, this is not gonna end well. Go in there. Go in the fucking cannon. Go in the fucking cannon. Go in the fucking. Yeah, fuck the world. No. Oh. Damn. Ass explosion and face explosion. Fucking awesome. Alright, let's try a different level. Let's try a different level, bitches. Bitches. 99% plus 1% impossible. Oh yeah? Well, bet I can fucking beat it. Oh shit, don't have to make it through that hole. Motherfucker. I bet I can beat it. I bet I can fucking beat it. I will fucking beat this level. I will fucking beat it for the honor of my family. Oh, 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 yes, yes, yeah. Oh, wait, oh. Yeah, fuck you guys. Fuck you. Fuck you. Yes. Go fuck yourself. Ah. Gosh damn it. I can't swear. What the fuck? Alright. Impossible my anus. How about that? God damn it! What the fuck? Escape R, escape R, escape R, escape R. Oh, what the fuck? I didn't think of that. Nope. 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 Gosh damn it.
What are you yelling at? I'm sick of hearing you outside.
Okay, do guys. Okay. Anyway. That's all the time I have today. So I have the trial version. Sucks. Anyway, make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. Check out my other videos. And make sure to check out Warrior's channel, all that kind of stuff. We really appreciate it. Blah, 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 whatever. Peace out, suckers. You know the drill. Blah. Peace out.